What fuck, man?
George.
What? Open up, bitch. Yo! Consensual sex with your nan. It's not so come tonight. I'm a shouty man. Do-do-do-do.
Do-do-do-do. He's my favourite YouTuber. I should know this off by heart, and which I do.
What, Dream?
No, GeorgeDOTexe is, of course. That's why you should subscribe to him on YouTube.
I'm using that voice clip. Thanks, Jay.
No, don't.
A word from my friend Jay. You should subscribe. That's gonna be the end of every single one of my videos. No. Oh fuck. Never mind.
Wait, which one is it, George?
It's the sus remix.
There's so many. Dream Mask Sus remix.
Yeah.
Go with this one.
Go outside and touch some grass.
Sugma. Hey, Patches. Suck my balls. Oh, fuck. Fucking got it there, boy. Boy. Put my ass on a gas. What the fuck? It stopped. No. What the fuck, man? What fuck, man? I hope that might come tonight.
Hey, George.
What, Patches, huh? Huh? Patches.
Oh, she got you.
She got me.
She said she got you.
Guys, we're ending stream.
George, you're gonna have to die.
I'm not dying in a
You're gonna have to
speedrun.
be-
It's fine, I don't really care about the
No,
speedrun. I don't care. Oh, do you mean just like straight up flop over and die? Not even in the game.
I mean,
Real-
straight up keel over.
Real life,
In a
just
game.
fucking fall over and just
Yeah.
that's it, cardiac arrest.
Instant.
Oh yeah, I just remembered how fucking good Half-Life combat is. Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
And all that they can ask.
Oh, game! That shit was poggers! I did that shit on my actual speedrun. First try, baby, let's fucking go! We gaming?
George, you still depressed that I got you?
Nah, I'm kind of over it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, quite.
George.
What?
Did I get you?
I don't think that really should count. I think you should say Sugma, and then I say like what? You just saying my name doesn't really get me. I don't think it really counts.
It's how you get so aggressive when you say what though. George.
What?
Good? George.
George, why did you go fucking American? Who joined? Who dis?
Both. What has he done? Oh. Ooh. We should put on the Able Sisters. That would be quite very funny. Oh, God. George.
Hey, Patches, Sugma!
Yeah.
Sugma balls!
What? Ah!
My neighbors fucking hate me. bet
So
she
there's-
really,
there's
I
two
bet she
people.
really does not like me right now. And I really fucking hope there's no noise complaint. I really hope there's no noise. I swear if there's a noise complaint.
We complained once when we had some friends over and we weren't even being loud.
I swear if there's a fucking noise complaint, I'll be so pissed. Sorry, I I just created some content that I'm 100% going to upload to my channel just as GeorgeDOTexe worries about a noise complaint. Worries about getting a noise complaint. Yeah, because you know the whole bit with me getting angry at patches? I get loud, and also it is almost 11 at night.
It is 11. It's 10 past 11.
Yikes! I'm 100% going to get a noise complaint. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
You're gonna hear big coppers.
Yeah, the Roz is going to get me the fuzz.
L.
Would be fun.
It wouldn't be funny. That's
Is it gonna have stall? Is it gonna have stall in the background?
It is. The whole time I've been worrying about it, there's just stall in the background. I think that's what's elevating my anxiety right now. The fact that stall is there.
It is an
Only the
anxiety
aim is
improvement. You have an
I have a smg dick. Smg balls.
no bueno,
I swear to God. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
You sound so depressed.
It's because I'm just waiting for the Rosses to knock on my door. I'm confused, it's fine. I'm not supposed to go like this, yeah, no.
I just stuck my toe and I turned into a crow.
L, L, L. L, L. Get wrecked, get wrecked, get noobed. Get noobed. Absolutely
What?
tapped. Your dog water, your dog water.
I suck his dick for hours at a time. Stare at his
It's not
nuts.
so
What do we have next?
might come tonight.
When he asked me,
Okay, we got
What
this,
do we
lads.
have on next then?
Do do do. Do do do.
Caps and chapettes.
Go Coconut Mall.
To the school.
Some banging
Is it
Coconut Mall.
copyright?
I don't think so. I hope not.
What a name, Tarkin. Oh!
Yeah, yeah. You just got Coconut Mall.
True
This is
game
100%
Coconut Mall correctly. I'm a shouty.
I'm a shouty man.
We should play some
Until the
Roblox
police come to my
fun
house. In which case, I'm submissive.
games. Our horrible history songs copyright. If not, you've got to put them on.
Yes, probably via the BBC.
Oh, for
Yeah,
God's sake.
sadly. Fuck the BBC, bro. Fuck Oxygen, bro.
You should get a hamster.
I'm not getting a hamster. The little fucking devil spawn.
What about a gerbil?
Again,
Oh,
devil spawn.
What about a lizard?
I love lizards. I actually really do love lizards.
I want to
Yeah, I want to get a lizard. Yeah, geckos seem good.
My friend's got a gecko.
Yo, Gek. They got a pet Gek?
Yeah, they got a pet gek.
Oh, I want a pet gek.
I definitely know who Gek is.
Wait, did you meet Gek?
I've never met him.
Yikes, bro. Imagine not meeting Gek.
No, My fault.
Nah, I'm joking.
Yes, it is.
Man was well nice.
It's not self-isolating.
Get my joke.
No,
No.
he's purposefully misunderstanding the joke. For a joke. Noobed, absolutely fucking noobed.
So how am I meant to do it? Do it to me.
You have to say like Sugma, and then they say what, and then you say it. It's not just annoyance until they say yeah, and then you say it. That's not how this
I didn't
works.
say yes, I said hello.
It's still the same thing basically. Okay, I need to get closer to the
No,
edge.
George, there is it. I said C. Then it would be different.
Yes? Oh, my headset cut out. I can't hear a fucking word anyone's saying. Oh, come on, come on.
Hello.
Oh, it crashed. L. Do do
No.
do 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 do.
George, why are you running back like that, bro?
Because that's how you gain speed. I'm just gonna fucking full send it and just hope for the best.
He's going terminal velocity.
Bro, I'm about to fucking end.
It's not very appreciative of my nan's personal feelings, is it?
Nah, she likes it.
Whoa.
It's consensual.
Oh, okay.
Consensual sex with your nan.
He's my favourite YouTuber. I should know this off by heart, and which I do.
What dream?
No, GeorgeDOTexe is, of course. That's why you should subscribe to him on YouTube.